In this video, we are looking at this interesting shipping container house in Australia with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a spacious open plan living space. The containers are arranged in pairs, saddling a big open plan living space. I like what has been done on top of the container roofs to create an additional roof above the containers to shield the house from the elements. When you get inside, the house is as beautiful and as industrial as it can get. There is exposed shipping container ceilings throughout. The house has got beautiful warm wooden floors and amazing cabinetry for the kitchen and beautiful furnishings. This is the general view of the open plan living space with the lounge right there, the dining in the middle, and we have the kitchen on the extreme end. This is a closer view of the dining area. Beautiful setup, a big dining table that can sit 8 depending on your configuration. Wow, look at that lounge space. It's big, it's spacious. This one occupies the width of 3 shipping containers placed side by side, and all the interior walls are cut out to create a big open plan living space. I like the exposed shipping container doors, which celebrate the original container markings and also the industrial charm of building with shipping containers. In addition to that, this container, this other one, has full height glazing, allowing for maximum daylighting. The wooden floors and the cowhide floor mat create a warm and inviting lounge space. Look at that kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful space. It is done with white cabinetry using clean lines through and through. Of course, we will notice this vintage style hood above the cooktop to infuse a bit of industrial theme and aesthetic. Otherwise, you'll appreciate the big window that lights up the sink space and also the kitchen space in general. The use of stainless steel appliances and adequate size of cabinetry for storage is quite commendable. Look at that. This is a nice lobby with laundry baskets and hooks for hanging clothes. This is a view of one of the bedrooms. You'll appreciate the use of full height glazing and the dual width of 2 shipping containers creates an amazing spacious bedroom space. This looks like a Murphy bed setup, thereby allowing this bedroom space to serve more than one function. This is another bedroom in the house. It's a bunk bed with bigger beds equivalent to a double size. There's also some storage space and a carpet floor, creating a warm bedroom environment. This is the laundry area. It's also well lit. There's a sink, in fact dual, a washing machine, and a laundry basket right there. This is the master bedroom. It's well done, spacious, well lit, well finished. What else do you ask for? An amazing space. This is another bedroom in the house. It is also nicely finished. I appreciate the use of big glazing to allow for maximum daylighting and also for cross ventilation because the windows are openable. There's also a lot of storage and closet space. This is the bathroom. I like the use of industrial finishes here and there. The ceiling, you have these concrete sinks. In this particular instance, wash and basins is quite amazing. The use of these exposed pipework for the bathroom is also quite interesting. A view of another bathroom, you will also appreciate the use of industrial finishes, more so the concrete wash hand basins. The industrial sinks we are talking about made of concrete. The general neighborhood, as I had shown you earlier, this is the house. It's a closer view from another angle showing the full height glazing and also the outdoor dining area. This is the outdoor space. It is sheltered, it is big enough to appreciate the view and also to serve as an outdoor dining space. You'll appreciate this amazing fireplace which keeps the entire space warm during chillier weather. So this amazing house is also a listing on Airbnb as a guest house. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.